Flat double-walled storage tanks KTD-FL are made of stainless steel or steel with internal coating. The tanks are used to supply machines and aggregates with diesel or heating oil. The KTD-FLs are available in 6 standard sizes, from 2,000 litres to 12,000 litres. The extra-flat KTD-FL tanks are particularly sturdy. Machine sets or generators can be set up directly on the flat KTD-FL tanks. This creates a compact, space-saving overall system. The roof racks are movable. Support points and attachment points can so be optimally adapted to each unit. Thanks to the double-walled structure, no drip tray is required for the KTD-FL tanks. A vacuum leak detector constantly checks the tightness of the tank. If the tank leaks due to corrosion or external damage, the leak detector triggers an alarm. The tanks are suitable for installation in buildings as well as in facilities containers. Here is an example of use. The KTD-FL can be set up without a drip tray. The consumer, machine or generator is placed directly on the tank. The flow and return lines are connected to the machine or generator via suction lines. By stacking them one on top of the other, only very short pipe routes are required. Depending on the application, we recommend the following optional tank equipment: level indicator, overfill protection, filling pipe, pump combination, or air vent with hood. Flat double-walled storage tanks KTD-FL from Krampitz. Cubically good.